You showed us the career opportunities for creative writing. I think I learned a lot from that.
Hi, I'm Yuvan from grade 10 of VBM International. So when I heard they were doing a workshop, I thought it would be a 3-hour long essay writing. But when I came here, they actually started off with humorous jokes and they started being informative and interactive. I was very shocked. They started doing activities which were very fun and they involved us all. So it was completely unexpected, but I'm glad they did because it was very enjoyable. Thank you.